Okay, and what else is coming together, hopefully, is some rain in the forecast with Scott Paget. Tell us something that we want to hear.
More rain, rounds of rain on the way as we go through the end of the weekend and through next week, which is going to be great because my lawn could use it. As Madison, I loved how she described it a couple days ago. A lot of them are crispy and crunchy. Crusty, whatever that was. I just combined both of those. They're crusty. All right, as you take a look at the First Alert satellite and radar combined, we are seeing relatively dry conditions through a lot of North Texas. Still, though, seeing some rain out towards Tyler down near Palestine and heavier rain. You can see this line all the way down south of Waco in Hill Country because we see that front that moved its way through now has stalled down to the south. 76 right now at DFW. Calm winds being reported, so expect a cooler day today. It's still humid this morning. So that's going to slowly change as we go into the afternoon. The dew points will drop. We're at 77 right now at Dallas, 74 McKinney to 73 Lancaster across North Texas. A couple of upper 60s in Bridgeport and Graham right now to 73 in Tyler to 72 in Cleburne. Now, our temperatures that are across parts of the Metroplex are sitting in the mid-70s to the upper 60s. Will continue to warm their way up through the day today to about 80 degrees by 9, by 10, 83. On our way up today to about 92. Now, your First Alert Futurecast shows the potential of a couple of spotty showers working their way on through as we go into the afternoon hours, into the evening hours at about a 10 to 20% chance. They're on the back side of this area of low pressure that's tracking its way through the east side of the state through the day ahead into tomorrow. I do expect to see a nice mix of sun and clouds. But today will be in the low 90s. But you notice where we have that area of low pressure tracking through the east sides of the state in the low to the mid 80s on the way. The upper pattern change, it's on the way for us. And we've been showing this to you for the past couple of days. We're going to be seeing this area of low pressure tracking its way down towards the south and the west and setting up in the Midwest as we go into the weekend. So as that does so, we're going to be seeing rounds of rain possible and impulses of energy wrapping around that, allowing us to see better rain chances. Also going into Saturday, there's a frontal boundary in the panhandles that will work its way down to the south and the east. We're going to be dealing with some rain sticking around into Sunday night because of that area of low pressure and the frontal boundary closer by. That keeps us wet going into Monday, then into Tuesday, and also cooler. Look at this, 87 on Tuesday to 89 Wednesday, and then remaining in the low 90s, below average pretty much all next week. So your First Alert 7-day forecast, which you ask for every single time that we talk weather, shows that we have 95 Saturday, and then we're going to be seeing temperatures 91 Sunday, rain chances 50%, and then you guys asked for all that rain, and we have it in the forecast.